In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check block list on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at menu and select settings and privacy. After that, scroll down a bit until you find blocked, and if we get into blocked accounts, that will basically show us our block list. That's where we can find all the users we have blocked. We can tap at their username to get to their profile, and also from here we can easily unblock those users. To do that, just tap at unblock. That's how you can easily check Instagram block list. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.